Welcome to 107 Horizon Drive, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome located in New Prague, blocks from grocery stores, brewery, restaurants, parks, and local events. This townhome offers cozy living with all the essentials on the main level and a convenient upper-level laundry adjacent to the 2 bedrooms. Freshly painted and move-in ready, updates include new roof and siding in 2021, all new flooring in 2025, new road paid for by the association in August of 2025. In addition, the association paid driveway seal coating is scheduled in 2025, adding additional updates and values for years to come. The association fee covers water, garbage, hazard insurance, outside maintenance, lawn care, and snow removal, so you can enjoy your evening and weekends. For my investors, the association allows renters. Whether you're starting your homeownership journey, downsizing, or adding to your investment portfolio, this practical and affordable property is a must-see. The home is ready for its new owner, and a quick close is possible.